Hello, welcome back to another video and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 5. If you are new to the channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please consider subscribing and do not forget to click on the bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, share and leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. So guys, today we are making stewed beans, a very delicious stewed beans. One good thing about this is that it doesn't, as in you don't need much ingredients to prepare these stewed beans, and it's so delicious. If you're a beans lover, then you're going to love this one, okay? And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. Thank you, guys, for your support so far during this vlogmas. So, guys, let's get started. So, like I said, you don't need much ingredients to make this stewed beans. Here I have my beans. I've already selected my beans. Okay, you have to select your beans to remove stones and all those dirt from your beans. And here I have my red chili pepper and also my scotch bonnet pepper. And here is my mackerel fish I'll be using for the stewed beans. This is optional. If you don't want, you can just leave it, okay? So here is my onions, my ginger and my garlic. And here is my crayfish. Crayfish is actually optional in these stewed beans. So guys, I will start now by boiling some water. Okay, I have some water already on the pot. I'm going to cover and allow this water to come up to a boil. And now the water is already boiling. I'm going to add in my beans because I'll be parboiling these beans. I don't know, some people don't like parboiling their beans. They just wash it and then they go straight into the cooking. But me personally, I love to parboil my beans because if I don't parboil it, it's going to give me heartburn. So I'm just going to cover this, allow to cook for a few minutes. And then I'm going to bring this down now. I will rinse it out and I will change the water. So here we are. I'm going to be adding in my beans. I'm not going to wait for the water to boil. I'll just add in my beans straight, okay? Then I'll be going in with some onions because onions helps the beans to cook faster. I will cover now and I will allow these beans to cook, okay? So yeah, our beans is cooked. I was doing something and then I left the beans to dry completely, okay? But not to worry, we are going to remedy this situation. So I'm just going to take this down and in a clean dried pot, I'm going to be heating up some palm oil. And now that our palm oil is hot enough, I'll be adding in my chopped onions. I'm going to fry these onions for 2 minutes. This is so the onions can release its flavor into the oil. And 2 minutes later, I'll be going in with my pepper mix. This is just my pepper, my red chili pepper, ginger and garlic. roughly blended together, so I'm just going to add it in now. I will stir this and then I will cover the pot, allow this to fry for about 3 to 4 minutes, then I will come back. And guys, it's 3 minutes later. I will now be adding in my crayfish, and then I will add in my mackerel fish. If you are using pomo, you can add it in now, okay? I'll be adding in my seasoning cube, and then I'm going to stir this now for everything to combine together, and I will cover the pot, allow this to fry for some minutes, okay? Guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not liked this video, please help me to click on the like button, okay? Give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, okay? I'm going to cover now and let it fry for few more minutes. So guys, our pepper mix or our stew is ready now to accept our beans, so I'm going to be adding back the beans into the stew. Then I'm going to mix everything so that everything can mix together, okay? I'm going to mix everything properly to combine both the beans and the stew. So guys, I added in water to loosen in the beans a bit, okay? So I'm just going to cover this pot now. I'll allow these beans to cook for a few minutes. And guys, yeah, we have it. Our delicious stewed beans is ready. Let me know in the comment section if this is what you would love to try. And guys, here is it. Our delicious stewed beans is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to the channel? Have you shared this video? Please help me to like, subscribe and share. Let me know what you'll be enjoying these beans with. Will you be enjoying it with fried plantain or bread? Yes, bread. Some people use bread to eat beans. I've actually tried it and it's very nice, okay? Like soft bread, it's nice. You're going to enjoy it. I hope you are going to trying out this stewed beans. This is so delicious. You will love it. If you're a beans lover, then give this a try. You're going to love it. Thank you for watching, guys, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.